Why do 67% of scientists believe there could be more than one universe? It's a question that challenges everything we think we know about reality. For centuries, humanity has gazed up at the stars, wondering about our place in the cosmos. But now, modern science is pushing the boundaries even further, asking, what if our universe is just one of many? What if our universe isn't as unique as we think? Imagine looking at the night sky and realizing that every twinkling star, every swirling galaxy might be just a tiny part of something much, much bigger. The idea that our universe could be just one bubble in a vast cosmic foam is both thrilling and humbling. Let's dive into the mysterious world of the multiverse. Imagine you're living in a house with no windows, just a tiny peephole. Through that peephole, you can only see a sliver of what's outside. You might think that's all there is, but in reality, there's an entire world beyond your view. That's how scientists feel when they study the universe, aware that what we see might be just a fraction of what truly exists. That's how we explore the universe, peeking into the unknown, trying to guess how big it really is. Every new discovery, every telescope image is like opening that peephole a little wider. We're constantly searching for clues, hoping to catch a glimpse of what lies beyond the edge of our cosmic horizon. We know our solar system has many planets, but that's just one neighborhood in a gigantic city of galaxies. The Milky Way alone contains billions of stars, each with its own planets, and there are billions of galaxies beyond ours. It's like living in a single apartment and realizing your building is just one in a sprawling metropolis. But here's the twist. What if there isn't just one city? What if, beyond the city limits, there are countless other cities, each with their own buildings, streets, and stories? In cosmic terms, what if there are other universes, each with their own galaxies, stars, and maybe even life? The multiverse theory suggests that our universe could be just one bubble in a vast sea of universes. Each bubble might have its own laws of physics, its own history, and its own possibilities. Some might be similar to ours, while others could be unimaginably different. The multiverse theory says there could be countless universes, each with its own rules, stars, and even versions of you. Imagine a universe where gravity is stronger, or where stars are blue instead of yellow. Maybe there's a universe where dinosaurs never went extinct, or where Earth never formed at all. It's like trees in a forest or drops in an ocean. Our universe might not be alone at all. Just as a single tree is part of a vast forest, our universe could be one of countless others, each adding to the richness and diversity of existence. And just like in Marvel movies, maybe somewhere out there, you're living a totally different life. Perhaps in another universe, you made different choices, have different friends, or even live on a different planet. The possibilities are as endless as the imagination. Scientists are still searching for evidence, using powerful telescopes, complex mathematics, and creative theories to explore these mind-bending ideas. While we haven't found proof yet, the search itself is expanding our understanding of what's possible. Think about that next time you look up at the night sky. Who knows, maybe someone else is looking back. The universe is full of mysteries, and the multiverse might be the greatest one of all. So keep wondering, keep exploring, and remember, the story of the cosmos is far from over. Now that we've peeked through the peephole of the multiverse, let's open the door a little wider. Imagine standing at the threshold of a vast cosmic mansion, each room holding secrets stranger than the last. The idea of the multiverse isn't just a wild fantasy. It's a serious topic that has captured the imagination of scientists, philosophers, and dreamers alike. As we step further in, we find ourselves surrounded by questions that challenge everything we thought we knew about reality. Scientists have cooked up some wild theories to explain how these other universes could exist. These aren't just ideas scribbled on napkins. They're built on decades of research, mind-bending mathematics, and the relentless human urge to understand the unknown. Some theories come from the world of physics, others from cosmology, and a few even borrow from the strange rules of quantum mechanics. Each one tries to answer the same question: could there really be more than one universe, and if so, what would that mean for us? One popular idea is the bubble universe theory. Imagine our universe as a soap bubble floating in a giant cosmic bathtub. There could be millions of other bubbles, each one a separate universe bumping into each other but never mixing. Each bubble might have its own laws of physics, its own types of stars, and maybe even its own versions of life. Some bubbles could be tiny, others unimaginably vast. The space between them? A mysterious cosmic foam, where the rules we know simply don't apply. This theory comes from the concept of eternal inflation, a process that might have happened just after the Big Bang, causing new universes to bud off like bubbles forever. In this scenario, our universe is just one of countless others, each born from its own Big Bang. Some might be similar to ours, while others could be so different that we can barely imagine them. Maybe there are universes where gravity is stronger, or where time flows backwards, or where stars never formed at all. The possibilities are as endless as the bubbles themselves. But wait, there's more. Quantum mechanics, the science of the super tiny, suggests that every time you make a choice, like tea or coffee, a new universe pops up where you chose the other option. It's called the many worlds theory. This idea was first proposed by physicist Hugh Everett in the 1950s, and it's as mind-boggling now as it was then. According to this theory, every decision, every random event, every quantum flip of a particle creates a branching point. The universe splits, and both outcomes happen, but in separate parallel realities. Think about it. In one universe, you're watching this video right now. In another, you paused it to grab a snack. In yet another, you never found it at all. The many worlds theory suggests that every possible version of you exists somewhere, living out every possible life. It's a dizzying thought, but it's one that some scientists take very seriously. So in some universe, you're already a famous cricketer, or maybe even a Bollywood star. Maybe you're an astronaut exploring alien worlds, or a chef inventing new recipes in a city that doesn't exist here. The multiverse is a playground for the imagination, but it's also a way to think about the true scale of possibility. Every dream you've ever had, every what if you've ever wondered about, could be playing out somewhere in the vast expanse of the multiverse. What about evidence? Well, it's tricky. The multiverse, by its very nature, is hard to detect. After all, if other universes are truly separate from ours, how could we ever hope to see them? It's like trying to hear a conversation happening in another room, with the door firmly shut. But that hasn't stopped scientists from searching for clues, using the most sensitive instruments and the most creative ideas. Some scientists are looking for clues in cosmic background radiation, the leftover heat from the Big Bang. This faint glow fills the universe, and it's like a photograph of the cosmos when it was just 380,000 years old. By studying tiny variations in this radiation, researchers hope to find hints that our universe has interacted with others. Maybe there are scars, ripples, or fingerprints left behind by cosmic collisions. If our universe ever bumped into another, there might be strange patterns or cold spots in this cosmic afterglow. Some scientists have even identified a few odd spots that don't quite fit our current models. Could these be the marks of another universe brushing up against ours? Or are they just cosmic coincidences, waiting for a better explanation? The debate is ongoing, and every new discovery brings fresh excitement and fresh mystery. So far, we've found a few odd signals, but nothing concrete yet. The search is on. Telescopes are getting more powerful, computers are crunching more data, and new experiments are being designed to probe the very edges of what we can observe. Some researchers are even exploring the idea that black holes could be gateways to other universes, or that certain particles might carry messages from beyond our own cosmic bubble. But why does any of this matter for us? If the multiverse is real, it could change how we see ourselves and our place in the cosmos. It challenges the idea that our universe is unique, or that we are the only version of ourselves. It raises deep questions about fate, free will, and the nature of reality itself. Are we the product of chance, or are there infinite versions of us, each living out a different destiny? Are we really unique, or just one version among countless others? The multiverse invites us to think bigger, to imagine ourselves as part of a much larger story. It's both humbling and exhilarating to consider that we might be just one thread in a cosmic tapestry, woven together with infinite others. It's a bit like finding out your favorite movie has endless sequels, each with its own twists. Every choice, every chance, every possibility is played out somewhere, in some universe. The multiverse is the ultimate director's cut, where nothing is left on the cutting room floor. So next time you wonder, what if? Remember, in the grand story of the multiverse, maybe all possibilities really do exist somewhere out there. The next time you gaze up at the stars, think about the infinite stories unfolding in the darkness, each one as real as our own. The multiverse isn't just a scientific theory, it's an invitation to dream, to question, and to explore the unknown. And who knows, maybe our biggest discoveries are yet to come. The universe, or should we say the multiverse, is full of surprises, and the adventure is only just beginning. So keep asking questions, keep exploring, and remember, in a reality as vast as this, there's always more to discover. If you enjoyed this journey through the mysteries of the multiverse, don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating facts and cosmic explorations. Hit that subscribe button and join us as we uncover more wonders of the universe, one mind-bending idea at a time.